Good morning, class 1. So, class 1, yesterday's video you have seen. Okay, so in yesterday's video, we talked about special key. Okay, so in the last class, what we have done about computer keyboard, that is, we have learned about alphabet keys, we have learned about number keys, we have learned about arrow keys. Okay, so these are the different types of keys. Alphabet keys are A to Z. Again I'm saying you, okay, always remember, alphabet keys are A to Z, that is, okay, from A to Z. There are 26 keys are there. They are called what? They are called alphabet keys. Okay, children. It is used for typing and all. Then we have learned about number keys. Okay, we have learned about number keys, that is 0 to 9 are there. Okay, then we have learned about what? Arrow keys. Okay, so there is a 4 arrow: upward, downward, toward the right, and your left. Okay, so you see, so these things we have learned about. So yesterday we have learned about what, children? Okay, yesterday we have learned about some of the special keys are there. Okay, there are few special key. There are few special keys are there. So under the special key, what you have? Space bar key. Okay, you have what? Space bar key. Then enter key. Okay, cap lock key. Okay, you have cap lock key and you have backspace key. Okay, these are the 4 different types of your special keys. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, so special key, yesterday we have already learned about the backspace key. So what do you mean by backspace key? Okay, so children, backspace key, it is one of the longest key on the keyboard. I have said you, okay, by drawing the keyboard. So suppose this is your keyboard. Okay, here there are many small keys are there. Okay, so you see the longest key, it is known as your space bar key. Okay, so you see the longest key on the keyboard is called space bar key. And I said you children, why we use a space bar key? To give a space between the words. Okay, so yesterday in the video I have taught you, okay, I have already said you that when we have to give any space between the word, so at that time we use this. Okay, suppose this is a computer. Okay, and you have to write I go to school. So you'll press, this is your keyboard, this is your space bar, you'll press here once, so there will be a space. So you'll write go, then again you will press 2, then again you will give a space. So when you press this space bar key, so there will be a space between the words. So I go to school will come. Okay, so automatically. And if you don't give space, so it will come like this: I go to school. Okay, so it will be completely wrong. This is your right. So always we have to give a space between the word. So space between the word is given with the help of, children, space bar key. Okay, so this we have already talked about it. So space bar key is used to give a space between the 2 words. Okay, and it is the longest key on the keyboard, children. What is it? It is the longest key on the keyboard. So today we are going to talk about the second one, enter key. Okay, the second one we are going to talk about your enter key. So children, you see enter key. So enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Okay, it is called return key. Why it is called return key? So you see enter key will be in this form. Okay. So a arrow is given in the enter key. Okay, small arrow is always given. Now, what is the use of this enter key? Now we are going to learn about the enter key. Children, enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Okay, now see, when you're writing in your copy, okay, at home, school, okay, wherever, when you're writing in your copy, suppose you have written, okay, and one line over, so again you're coming to the next line. But in computer also, suppose you have written in this line, I am a student. Okay, you wrote now. Now here you want to write another sentence. So how you will go to the next line? You will say, computer, please take me to the next line. No. Okay, so you have to press some keys. So which key you will press? So you are going to press enter key. Children, when you press the enter key, okay, automatically the cursor, it will go to the next line. So you can start the next line. Okay, so enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. So you see, if one line is over, now you want to go to the next line. So you have to press which key? You have to press enter key. So when you will press the enter key, automatically you will go to the next line. Okay, so in this way, in a computer, we can go to the next line. Okay, in this way we can go to the next line. So we don't require that we will talk with the computer, please go to the next line. No. Okay, so automatically we can go to the next line by, okay, by pressing the enter key. So when you press the enter key, automatically you will go to the next line. So it is very easy. Okay, it is very easy to do so. So you see, when you're writing in your copy today, if you're writing in your copy, what you do, one line over, then you are going to a next line. Okay, so in computer, when your one line is over, you have to go to next line. So what you have to do, children, always remember, you have to press the enter key. When you press the enter key, automatically you will go to the next line. So this next line will help you, okay, to write a sentence. So suppose you wrote, I am a boy. Now you have to go to next line. Press this, you will go to next line. Okay, you can write, I live in Jaigaon. Okay, so again you want to go to next line. Press this key. Again you write. Again you want to go to next line. Again you press this enter key. Again this sentence over. Again you have to go. You want to write. Again you enter. Okay, so every time when you will go to a next line, what you are going to do, you will press enter key. Okay, children, so without pressing enter key in a computer, we cannot go to the next line. Okay, so this is the importance of your enter key, and this is one of the special key. So children, once more you see, so yesterday we have already learned about the backs, that is your spacebar key. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. And what is the use of spacebar key? It is used to give a space between the words. Okay, so that we have seen. So enter key. Okay, so enter key is what? Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line.